Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to purl through the back loop. I already showed you how to knit through the back loop in the previous video, but if you want to knit a twisted rib stitch or a beautiful twisted cable like this one, then you need to know how to purl through the back loop as well. So let's dive right into it. So yesterday I showed you this cable pattern and this twisted rib stitch. What I sort of didn't tell you is that you need to purl all stitches through the back loop, that you knitted through the back loop in the first row. So here's how to purl through the back loop. My first two stitches are knit stitches in this pattern. And this is the first stitch I need to purl through the back loop to achieve this twisted rib. So hold the yarn as if to purl, so the yarn is in front. Now insert the needle into the back loop from left to right. From left to right. And wrap the yarn around your needle counterclockwise and pull through. Let's do it one more time. Here's another stitch we need to purl through the back loop. So insert the needle from left to right. Wrap the yarn around counterclockwise and pull through. Again. Insert the needle from left to right. Wrap the yarn around counterclockwise and pull through. Now, in reality, you're not really inserting the needle from left to right. This would be very uncomfortable. It's more like a back to front motion, like this. Just make sure you come out on the right side, so the needle should be on the right and not on the left. It should be on the right, like this. And then you can basically purl as regular. And that's it. That's how you purl through the back loop. I think it's a bit harder than the knit through the back loop. The knit through the back loop is very easy, but it's still not a very hard technique and quite useful to produce these beautiful twisted rib stitches. I hope you liked this little knitting tutorial and I was able to show you how to purl through the back loop. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Happy knitting!